Now let's go across to Tejas Mehta, who joins us on the phone line on the security issue around Shah Rukh Khan's home. Well, Tejas, what is it? At what time are the Shiv Sena activists planning to gather around Shah Rukh Khan's home this afternoon?
Well, Kulsum, what we know is that around 3 o'clock, these activists are supposed to, Shiv Sainik are supposed to come down to Mannat, which is in Bandra, right opposite the sea, and that's where Shah Rukh Khan is supposed to come there, and they're going to protest. Now, as long as they protest, there is no problem, the police says, because that's their right. But if they start indulging in stone pelting or destroying property, public or private, that's when the security agencies will have to swiftly move into action, and the Maharashtra government, which has been seen till now as being very little against the Shiv Sena or the MNS, as they keep on their chant against the North Indian and anybody who protects the North Indians' rights. The Maharashtra government has been seen doing very little, so they have deployed a huge number of security personnel there from the Mumbai police, from the state police, also security personnel there, trying to ensure that when this protest, if it at all takes place at 3 o'clock, there is minimum, there is no damage at all to Shah Rukh Khan's property or to any public property rights. So that's the primary concern. But of course, the entire issue is now taking political overtones between Shah Rukh Khan himself and the Shiv Sena, and also within the NDA, we are seeing the BJP is saying something, and the Congress is, and the Shiv Sena is saying something else, and of course the RSS, which is now coming to say that we will protect all North Indians. So we'll wait till 3 o'clock and see what sort of protest this is. If it's a normal protest, there is no problem, the police say. But if they resort to any sort of violence, then and they take the law in their hands, then the police will have to react. Kulsum?
Right, Tejas Mehta, many thanks for joining us. Tejas Mehta reporting on the security around Shah Rukh Khan's house as the Shiv Sena takes on Shah Rukh Khan on the comments he made on the Pakistani players being left out in the IPL.